G'day everyone, welcome to a bonus video of dingel-diy. Now, the other night we had a bit of rain and it came through one of the downlights in the bathroom, so I figured this is a perfect opportunity to show you how to fix a leaky roof. First thing you want to do is just clean off any dirt and any suspicious areas, clean your gutters, check that your gutters and your stormwater pipes aren't blocked, and then once you're beyond that, you can go crazy with the silicone and figure out where you need to put it, and hopefully it's going to stop your leak. So we'll jump right into it and I'll get on the roof and show you how to take care of it. Alright, this is our rain head and our overflow. Everything looks pretty clear in there. The gutter is a bit dirty, and because there's such a little amount of gutter in this section, I suspect it's coming in underneath because the gutter's just full of crap. So if we get rid of that, that's going to help. We can also check the sealant along this flashing where it meets the roof sheet, and check the sealant on all these screws and the joins in the flashing there as well. So I'll run over how to take care of all of that, but first things first, we'll clean the gutter. Alright, next we're going to just touch up all these nails and silicone joints. You just want to grab some wax and grease remover and a rag. The silicone's not going to stick to anything if it's dirty and if it's wet. Now we can see we've got a nail that's popped up, and obviously that's not sealed anymore, so that could be the culprit. I'll show you how to clean that up, and we'll touch up the rest of them while we're at it. Alright, once you get your silicone roughly in position, you want to wet it down either with some soapy water or just saliva. You can lick your finger and it'll stop it from sticking to your finger. And just push it in, smear it in, and make sure you've got a good bubble-free kind of a seal. One last culprit is this split silicone here. I'm not convinced this is the leak, but we might as well fix it. Even though it is running downhill, you'd be surprised what water can do, especially when it's heavy rain. And the surface tension of the water can actually mean the water defies gravity a bit. So fix this up and that should be job done. So I'm pretty sure the issue here was a block gutter, but while I was up there I fixed everything that I could. That wraps up this video, so thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Subscribing really goes a long way to support the channel, and you make sure you don't miss out on any videos which come out every Wednesday. And the channel's full of around the home tutorials, DIY builds and car builds, so check it out and we'll see you next Wednesday.